let's do a Ryderwear activewear try-on haul. Before we get into it, people think that you need to be a certain size or be at your goal weight to look cute, or I used to be guilty of this where I used to say, oh, I'll get new activewear or new clothes whenever I'm at my goal weight. But I'm at a point where I'm kind of just like, fuck that, let's dress cute now, because I definitely do feel like it plays a huge role in your confidence. If you can be more confident on your journey while at the gym, why not do it? So I thought I would show what these pieces look like on a mid-size plus size body. So we're gonna start off strong with this two-piece set. You had to buy them separately. The bottoms are an extra large and the top is a large. I'm usually a size 12, 14 on top and then a size 16, 18 on bottoms right now, but this is how it looks. My biggest pet peeve as someone who's mid-size plus size with activewear is that the armholes come down so low. If you know, you know. I love the detailing on the sides when you pick up the sets and how the Ryderwear is on the same side. Super great branding. This is what the back looks like. And then as you can see, the set is completely seamless. It has the ass lines underneath. I don't have an ass right now, but it's coming in. These leggings are fucking tight. They're an XL. I feel like I could have gone a size up. Definitely not as stretchy or true to size as the first pair of bottoms that I showed you guys. I don't feel like the most confident in these red pants. And these are my first scrunch butt leggings. I'm posing, so that's why my ass looks good, but if I just stand regular, it's like very weird, I feel like, up top. But I guess if you're posing for like an Instagram picture, it's not too bad. There's a lot of fabric on the legs. I'm 5'4", but I had to like scrunch it up a little bit. I'll show you guys. I'm like out of breath from putting these on. I love how vibrant the red color is, and I love the logo placement. It's just the fit is not really what I thought it'd be. Definitely not true to size. I am a damn hoe for some sleeve holes. This is the next top. It is an A size large. It's kind of a weird fit where I feel like the body part, sorry, I'm not wearing a bra right now, but I feel like it's pretty compacted that you don't really need a bra. But obviously if you're going to the gym and your nips are like popping out, maybe you want to put a bra on, but it's up to you, obviously, who cares. And to me, it's kind of a weird fit because I feel like this part could be much shorter, because as a curvy girl, when you pull it down and then your hips are here, you see how it's like rolling up and like you can't really see the logo. I feel like if it was shorter, like maybe more cropped, it would probably be better. But like something like that instead of like long, but it's still really cute. It's really warm, surprisingly, and I feel like this is a great activewear piece for fall and winter. You could definitely layer with it. It's very thin, so depending on your preference with how visible you like your rolls, you know, to be, this might not be the option for you. They do have darker colors, which I did pick up a darker color, so I'll show you guys next what that looks like. But depending on how comfortable you are with like showing off more of like your skin, then this may or may not be the option for you. But again, I feel like it's cute, and you can always layer it with a nice little puffer vest or something like that. But let me show you the next color that I got. Okay, so this is the exact same shirt, but in a more like ruby garnet color. Both are a size large, but for some reason it fits tighter. I don't know if I prefer this fit more than the other one. It does a better job at not rolling as much, I guess, but it would be so much better if maybe this was taken up like an inch or two. So it would be like more cropped and would stay down like that. But regardless, again, it's still super warm and cute and perfect for fall and winter. And again, it has the little thumb holes, which, you know, we love. Pretty much all seamless except for like this part here for the arm sleeve. But overall, everything's super comfortable. It's just here, it's a little tight compared to the gray one. Okay, this sports bra is everything. I love the color. It's the sports bra version of the long sleeve tops that I just showed. It's super high compression, same fabric as the long sleeve shirts. You see like how it rolls up. And that might just be a me thing, but I just wish that it was shorter. And then this is the back. It's high compression, like your titties are not going anywhere. Never mind, I should have sized up, what the fuck. This bra is probably better if you have a pump cover on, or if you're not doing super high intensity movement in the gym. Definitely fine for lifting, like the titties are not going anywhere for lifting. Maybe not during jumping jacks, obviously. This next piece is the exact same bra as the first one I tried on in this haul. It is very comfortable. It still does like that rolly thing, but it's because like I'm curvy and I have like more body fat down here. And again, I wish that the armholes went up higher. The color is a little off from what it was online, but it's still cute and pink. I feel like on camera it's showing up a little more white. I kept the padding in, so it does come with padding, but you could choose to pull it out or keep it in. This is what the back looks like. Same racer back, but definitely a cute sports bra and super supportive. And then lastly, we have these pink bottoms. The color is very light. I probably would wear a pump cover at this point in my journey just because I feel like I'd be self-conscious and I feel like it's kind of see-through. I love the material of it. Definitely more stretchy and breathable. I just think it's a little small for me. These are a size XL. I probably could have sized up, but they're definitely a better fabric than the red ones. Again, the color is just very light. Definitely out of my comfort zone. If you know me, you know I always wear black bottoms, but for this haul, I tried not to shop anything black. I'm definitely going to be wearing these leggings probably with my Confident pump cover on just because the pink would match really well. It's like definitely see-through. Like you can see my whole ass tattoo. I just feel like my vagina is fucking out, so. But I like the little fishnet detailing on the bottom. Probably use it for like before and after photos because I feel like with light leggings you could really see the difference in your journey. So that's why I got these, because I wanted pink leggings because, you know, that's my favorite color. And again, they're showing up more like light pink on camera. They're actually more similar to the color that you do see on their website.
I just want to live